Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu. Dramatic style with a strong sense of safety. This Malibu is style with a purpose. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.